Good morning. I'm here with a unboxing very quickly. I would have put it off, but I'm too curious to wait. So, I got two books, a Fairyloot and one from Amazon, because I just had to get this one. This one was not right. I took it out of the packaging. Sorry, I did have surgery yesterday, so I am still a little loopy. But look at the sprayed edges. They are gorgeous. And then, come on, open up. Ooh. Okay. The front, the back, well, the outside. And I love him. He is so cute. So, this is Brimstone, which is part 2, book 2 of Fae and Alchemy, I think it is. Quicksilver was book 1. This is book 2. And I had to get it. I love Quicksilver. So, I got that from Amazon. Next is my Fairyloot. Already undid the tape. Let's see what's in it. I get only the book. There we go. So, love is the key. It's okay. I gotta spoil it, but that's okay. It's bubble wrapped, which is good, so it don't get torn up. Oh, I saw this book, but it had a red cover. I'm loving this blue. To Cage a Wild Bird by Brooke Fast. Spine, the back. So let's look. Let's get the dust jacket. Let's see the verse. Oh, I love that. I love that. But I think I will use this side. Ooh. So, do you see that foil? Okay. And the inside. The front cover. No, this is the back cover. Yeah. So, and those are the sprayed edges. So beautiful. Let's see. Yep. I think it's digitally signed. Oh, come on. Turn. Yeah. No, it's not, because it bled through a tiny bit. So that is the see how it bled through? So that's a author signature. I like that. And then a letter. Now, about the book. Come on. Get back on there. forgive me if I mispronounce and I'm groggy. I slept. So I had to be there at 6:40 yesterday. And by 8 o'clock, they had already given me a pain med. And I warned them I was a lightweight. And Lisa warned them, when she says she's a lightweight, she's a lightweight. And by 9 o'clock, I was just about falling asleep. And then they came in to take me back. And when he put the med in to knock me out, I got up to number 3. I don't remember nothing after that. I was so out of it. So out of it. And even by the time I got home, I was still falling asleep. I would sit up for 10 or 15 minutes and then fall back to sleep. So, anyway, about the book. A deadly prison, a forbidden romance, a fight for survival. In the city of Daydream, the law is simple. Commit a crime, and your punishment is a life sentence to Inlock. Raventhorn is Babium's most notorious bounty hunter, living on the edge of society. But when her younger brother Jed is sentenced to Inlock, Raven will do anything to save him, even if it means getting herself arrested. Trapped in a prison where danger lurks around every door, Raven must use all her cunning and strength to protect Jed and herself. If she is to complete her earthless mission, but there's one obstacle she never expected: the prison guard who stirs something deep inside her, the man he should hate, the man whose true motives seem impossible to pin down. In a world where trust is a weapon, love is a liability, Raven can't afford for her heart to get involved. Okay, that sounds good. I really, really, really want to read this soon. And that's one reason why I opened, because I want to read Brimstone and this one now. But that is my unboxing, very short. And I will see y'all on Monday, hopefully, to do my normal floss tube. And maybe I'll be done with one of these books and I can tell you how it was. But have a blessed day, and I will see you next time.